The goodwill. I'm so excited. Woo-hoo. Come on, baby. Come on, baby. Super Mansion, stop. Ooh, oh, that was good before. That was good before, remember? That was good. Super Mansion was my second better. Yeah. Still. Oh my gosh. Yeah, I finally got that goodwill. Now I can get off here. Get the go buzzer. Come on, baby. Come on, baby. Come on, baby. Ooh. All right. Come on, please. Yes, 2 mansions. Oh, I got a respin. Let's go. One, two, three. One more, please. First mansion. Oh, it's my second mansion. Third mansion. Okay. Mansions, bring them. One, two. Oh! Wow! Come on. 1, 2, 3. Oh! Oh! All right. Three. Oh, now here we go. 1, 2, 1, 2, 3. Oh, it's okay. Oh, I got another mansion. Yes. 1, 2, 3. Oh, another mansion. What the hell? What'd I get? Piggies. Baby. And I almost said, girl, I shouldn't hit that. But I'm glad I did it. Come on, 1, 2, 3. Oh my gosh, yes. Keep it coming. Respin one more time, baby, one more time. One, two, three. Oh! Oh my God! What the heck? That's crazy. Come on, one more time. 1, 2, 3. Oh, wow. That was really a good run. Let's see. How many mansions do I have? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. I don't know. I've got a lot of mansions. Come on, baby. A lot of mansions. Yeah. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. Come on, please. Give me at least. Give me a good mansion. Give me coins. Give me coins for those mansions. Coins. I'm thinking coins. Coins would be coins. Oh, that's so good. That's so really good. Yeah.
Those piggies really helped you too.
Yeah, that's very good.